The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the original Galaxy Watch Ultra look almost identical, and they share many of the same premium health and fitness features. So, is the Ultra 2 actually worth upgrading to, or does the original Ultra still offer the better value? Let's compare them side by side. Price comparison. Starting with the price, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 starts at $699.99, while the original Galaxy Watch Ultra launched at $649.99 and is now widely available at discounted prices. Design and build. Looking at the design, Samsung hasn't changed much because the original Ultra already had an excellent design. Both watches feature a premium titanium case, sapphire crystal display, customizable quick button, and rugged durability with 10 atmospheres water resistance, IP68 protection. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 refines the formula with a slightly thinner body while adding an incredibly bright 5000 nit AMOLED display, making it much easier to read outdoors in direct sunlight. Aside from that, both watches feel equally premium and are built for hiking, trail running, swimming, and demanding outdoor adventures. Battery comparison. Battery life is where the Ultra 2 delivers one of its biggest upgrades. The original Galaxy Watch Ultra features a 590 mAh battery, which already provides impressive endurance for most users. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 increases that to a massive 800 mAh battery, around 35% larger, and pairs it with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon Wear Elite processor for better efficiency. In real-world use, this translates into longer GPS workouts, extended hiking sessions, and fewer charging stops during multi-day adventures. According to early hands-on testing, battery life is one of the most noticeable improvements over the original model. Top features. Both smartwatches include Samsung's best smartwatch features, including Galaxy AI, Google Gemini, dual-frequency GPS, ECG, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, body composition analysis, skin temperature sensing, advanced sleep coaching, automatic workout detection, Samsung Wallet, Google Maps, Wear OS, and fast wireless charging. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 builds on those features with a brighter display, a larger battery, more onboard storage, improved Galaxy AI health insights, and enhanced outdoor tools like real-time trail guidance with elevation information, hydration insights based on estimated sweat loss, and support for an upcoming Mares diving experience. What's new? Samsung focused on refining the Ultra rather than redesigning it. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 introduces the new Snapdragon Wear Elite processor, delivering faster performance and better battery efficiency, along with Galaxy AI-powered health features such as heart health score, daily cardio load, fitness index, and vitals monitoring during sleep. Samsung also increased the battery to 800 mAh, upgraded the display to 5000 nits, expanded storage, improved outdoor navigation with real-time trail guidance, added hydration insights after workouts, and partnered with Mares to bring dedicated diving features in a future software update. These upgrades make the Ultra 2 feel more polished and capable while keeping the same familiar design. Final verdict. If you're buying your first Galaxy Ultra smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is easily the better choice thanks to its brighter display, significantly larger battery, faster processor, more storage, and smarter AI-powered health features. However, if you already own the original Galaxy Watch Ultra, the overall experience remains very similar. Unless you specifically want the bigger battery, brighter screen, and new outdoor features, the original Ultra is still an outstanding smartwatch and offers excellent value at today's discounted prices. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.